Hi everyone, how are you all? Today's topic is Indian states and their classical dances. There are 8 classical dance forms of India: Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Kathakali, Satriya, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam. So, let's get started. Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is more popular in South Indian states of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Bharatnatyam is almost 2000 years old and its instruments are mridangam, violin, veena, flute, and talam. And the famous dancers of Bharatnatyam are Rukmini Devi, Padma Subramanyam, Alarmel Valli, Yamini Krishnamurthy, Anita Ratnam, Mallika Sarabhai, Mrinalini Sarabhai, and Meenakshi Sundaram Pillai. Next one is Kathak. Kathak is most important classical dance of India. Kathak is said to be derived from the word katha, meaning the art of storytelling. Kathak dance originated in North India, like Uttar Pradesh. Instruments we are using in Kathak are pakhavaj, tabla, harmonium, sarangi, and talam. And famous Kathak dancers are Pandit Birju Maharaj ji, Sitara Devi ji, Shobana Narayan ji, Malvika Mitra ji, Kumudini Lakhia ji, Manisha Guliani. Next is Kathakali. Kathakali is the classical dance form of Kerala. The word Kathakali literally means story, play. Kathakali is known for its heavy elaborate makeup and costumes. In fact, the colorful and fascinated costumes of Kathakali have become the most recognized icon of Kerala. Kathakali theme based on Ramayana and Mahabharata and some other Hindu epics. Instruments used in Kathakali are Chendra, Madalam, Elathalam. And famous Kathakali dancers are Kalamandalam Gopi, Padmanabham Nair, Ramanaki Kutti Nair, and Kumaran Nair. Next is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is one of the famous classical dance of South India. Kuchipudi name is derived from the Kuchipudi village of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi exhibits scenes from the Hindu epics legend and mythological Lates like other dances, Kuchipudi is also pure dance, mime and histrionics. Instruments that are used in Kuchipudi dance: mridangam, violin, veena, flute, and talam. And their famous dancers are Raja and Radha Reddy, Kaushalya Reddy, Yamini Reddy, and Bhavna Reddy. Next in the line is Manipuri dance. Manipuri is one of the 8 major classical dances of India. This is from Manipur, the eastern state of India. The Manipuri dance style is instruments are punj, cymbals, and the famous dancers are Guru Bipin Singh, Darshana Javedi, Ranjana, and Charu Mathur. Next one is Mohini Attam. Mohini Attam is the classical dance form of Kerala. Mohini Attam is derived from the word Mohini, meaning beautiful woman, and Attam means dance. Thus, Mohini Attam is the dance form of beautiful feminine style with surging flow of body movement. Mohini Attam dance in Kerala developed in tradition of Devdasi system, which later grew and developed a classical status. Instruments are chenda, madalam, and ilathalam. And famous dancers are Sunanda Nair, Jayprabha Menon, Pallavi Krishnan, Gopika Verma, Vijay Lakshmi, and Smitha Rajan. Next in the line is Odissi dance. Odissi dance is most beautiful dance of Odisha state. The history of Odissi dance is almost 2000 years old. Odissi is highly inspired, ecstatic, passionate dance. Instruments that are used in Odissi dance is pakhavaj, tabla, harmonium, flute, and cymbals. And famous Odissi dancers are Kelucharan Mohapatra, Devaprasad Das, Pankaj Chandra Charan Das, Gangadharan Pradhan, Aditi Bandyapadhyay. Next is Satriya. Satras are Vaishnav monasteries in Assam. Satriya dance belongs to Assam. Instruments that are used in Satriya dance: violin, cymbals, and khol. And famous Satriya dancers are Guru Indra P.P. Bora, Jatin Goswami, Anita Sharma, So, I have come to end of this session, Classical Dances of India. I hope you liked it and understand it. Write down in your notebook and learn the states and their dance forms. See you next week. Keep dancing, keep moving, keep rising, and stay safe at home. Bye.